Hey guys, it's Adriana from Let's Make It Academy and welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, especially welcome. I am so excited to share this sew along tutorial with you because I just received a bunch of, or I should say a pile of these designer fabric swatches, larger pieces and smaller pieces. And if you've gotten to know me, you know that when I see fabrics, I automatically know what I'm making out of them. And what I love about these fabrics, aside from the fact that they're gorgeous, is that they have the grommets. And my final products of the few things I created, I left the grommets in and made it part of the final product. And I love that the edges are serged. So without further ado, let me show you what I created. And I really hope that this video inspires you if you have a booklet of these fabrics. Yes, you can make tons of things. So let me show you what I did. So I've created a beautiful decor pillow. And like I said, I see the fabric and I'm totally inspired. How gorgeous is that? And then I made a little makeup bag with boxed corners. And of course, a wine bag. So let me tell you something about these wine bags. I think they're great to make and just have on hand because when you just need that last minute gift, a bottle of wine is always a great answer. And check out how I kept the grommet in the final product. And then of course I kept this really simple, but it is a cool with braided handle tote and inside is a pocket. You can just, a little slip pocket in there. Anyway, yes, it makes a statement. So let me show you how I created all of them. And if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh my gosh, and I almost forgot, I also made this color block bucket bag with the drawstring. And that's it. That's how we make these awesome accessories with the fabric swatches. So if you really love easy DIYs like this, why don't you also check out my other accessories that I make out of pot holders right here up on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.